One more thing on the iPhone 12 here. You may have seen this floating around. Many had speculated that when the MagSafe thing showed up, that it wasn't just going to be a play for Apple's first-party accessories, but also that the third party might come in there with some interesting stuff that could hook onto the magnet. And it didn't take long at all. Obviously, these guys were working on this in advance. Obviously, they had a relationship with Apple. Obviously, they were ready to go. This is a company, I've used their products in the past. Fun Stuff. Company's called Moment. And they've been about camera attachments and lenses for your iPhones, not just iPhones, but also Pixel devices and Samsung devices in the past. And based on this premise, you put a case on and then you can hook in lens adapters to get, to sort of upgrade or enhance your photo taking, video making on your phone. Give you more options, almost like an interchangeable lens system. Well, anyway, they must have caught word early on about this magnet thing, and they created a bunch of accessories that plop right onto that magnet, including a tripod. That's nice. Snap a nice, powerful magnet over there for the tripod. A shoe mount, which is going to let you hook up, whether it be an LED light, it could be a microphone for all the vlog types, all the filmmaker types. They've also got a vent mount, and one that looks kind of cool in the picture at the very top. There looks like a wall mount as well, but I like the weird little arm there on the far right. That thing looks cool. Just, I don't know why it matters or what you need it for, but I kind of like that. It's like with a pivot point. It's this arm so you can put your phone in unusual places to create your feature films as you would. They're around $30, these accessories. The case, on the other hand, is $50. You don't need the case by the looks of it to interact with the accessories. They can snap straight onto the phone without the case, but you can get the case from them as well if you want to get into their whole lens situation and start purchasing those also. So
this is real. Is this real?
Wait a sec. You just
because I'm looking at you just made design. It's very conceptual stuff.
You made me very nervous there. Yes, it's definitely real, and it's available now actually.
Okay.
Oh well, it's pre-order. I apologize. It's all pre-order. So yeah, you might be looking at renders.
Oh, okay.
Because it is pre-order still, but it's definitely real.
Well, it looks real. Like all of this makes sense.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No, it's definitely real.
Yeah. Okay.
But you had me for a second there. I was like, wait, what's going on?
Just the website.
You had me for a second there, Will.